Pineapple peels are one of the main ingredients in pineapple tea, and they come packed with lots of healthy nutrients. However, most people throw away pineapple peels not knowing how awesome they are. Pineapple tea is a way to switch things up and enjoy great health benefits at the same time. Here are some of the most common ones. It helps with digestion. Not only can pineapple help make your digestive system work smoother, it can also help with constipation and IBS syndrome. Pineapple peels contain a digestive enzyme called bromelain. This is what helps break down protein molecules in the digestive system. When these molecules break down, they become easier to absorb across the digestive tract. It's also anti-inflammatory. Bromelain can also help the body deal with inflammation. It reduces swelling after an injury or surgery, and its anti-inflammatory properties can help ease sinuses. Pineapple peels also have a lot of vitamin C, and that combined with bromelain can prove very effective when fighting and preventing infection.
I let the pineapple, cinnamon, and ginger tea steep for 15 minutes. And now I'm just letting it cool, and then I'll strain out the pieces and have a cup. Okay, the water is cooled down enough. I'm going to just strain out these larger pieces and then have a cup of tea. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Delicious. It's sweet and spicy with the ginger. Hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this and other health tips.